Hey, do you want to get into trading gold? Then this video is what you've been looking for. My name's Thomas, and in the next several minutes, I'll tell you what gold on the Forex market is and why it's so popular. And after this video, you'll know much more about the nature and the history of this shiny metal, what's so special about gold trading, and what economic events drive its price. Get yourself comfortable, and let's start. So, to understand gold, we need to start with an explanation of gold nature. In the past, there was a gold standard. It was a system under which nearly all countries fixed the value of their currencies in terms of specified amount of gold. Also, the supply of gold hasn't been increasing greatly with time. And when the amount of money in the system was increasing, to buy the same amount of gold, we needed an increased amount of currency. Since high inflation usually comes along with economic crisis, gold has become the haven asset for almost every country. People buy gold when they want to save their money from rising prices. But, as we know, nothing lasts forever, and in August of 1971, US President Richard Nixon severed the direct convertibility of US dollars into gold. So from this very moment, gold became more of an independent asset, but the rules of the game didn't change much. Demand for the gold is still high due to several factors. Gold is resistant to corrosion, easy to process, hard to imitate, and it looks beautiful. If you're watching this video, then you probably have some interest in trading gold or investing in it. Then you need to understand how it works with Forex brokers. So with FBS, you can buy or sell contracts for difference on gold, as well as silver and hundreds of other assets. It means that you don't actually buy gold and don't need to bother yourself with storing it physically. Instead, you have the opportunity to buy and sell it in a matter of seconds, making fast decisions that depend on your own analysis. So, as you already know from this video, gold becomes more expensive when there's more cash on the market and the currency is becoming cheaper. So, when the US dollar falls because of high inflation, meaning that there are more dollars, generally gold rises. Overall, they tend to move in different directions most of the time. Thus, when you see amazing news for the US dollar, it is the very special moment the gold is likely to fall. Alright, so let's go through some economic events and check whether or not they're affecting the XAU price. August 6th, 2021, positive US NFP data, gold has flash crashed by 6.2% in less than half a day. November 2nd of 2022, the US Federal Reserve increased the interest rate by 75 basis points, creating a huge uptrend movement for the US dollar. Gold then slid 4,000 points over the next few hours. What do you know so far? Historically, gold was collateralized with paper money from different countries, then everything moved to be backed up by the dollar, but these two assets are still tied to one another. And by the end of the day, gold remains the asset that is used to save people against inflation. But does it work now? Well, in the next video, we'll explain how to profit from a crisis using gold. Be sure to check it out and share in the comments your thoughts about this precious metal. Also, subscribe to the channel and make us happy by liking this video. Trade smart. Bye.